Starting a business isn't for the faint of heart. It demands a significant investment of time, energy, and resources. You'll likely face numerous challenges along the way, from securing funding to navigating regulatory hurdles and building a customer base. However, it's precisely this journey of overcoming obstacles that makes entrepreneurship so rewarding. When you embark on the path of building your own business, you're not just creating a source of income. You're building a legacy. You're crafting something tangible out of your ideas and passions, leaving a mark on the world that reflects your values and vision. While working for someone else may provide a steady paycheck, it often comes at the cost of sacrificing your creative freedom. Moreover, the impact of entrepreneurship extends far beyond personal success. By creating jobs and contributing to the economy, you play a vital role in driving growth and prosperity in your community. Your business becomes a force for positive change, not only in your own life, but also in the lives of those around you. Yes, starting a business requires hard work and perseverance, but the rewards, both financial and personal, are immeasurable. If you're ready to take the leap into entrepreneurship, know that while the road may be challenging, the destination is well worth the journey. Subscribe and click on one of these videos to continue your financial journey.